Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Car Spec Garage video. Today, it's all about the boot or the trunk here in the United States of America. All right, so what we're gonna do is, as you can see, I have already cleaned up everything in the car. Let me move these out of the way for you. So the trunk is completely cleaned up. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get the tail lights back in it and the wiring as well, get all that wired up. I've got over here, I've got all the carpet. The carpet came from Alfa Giulia, so we're going to put the carpet in there. I'm going to have to get another spare tire and we'll go from there. So I'm going to flip over the camera. I want you to look at it one last time before we get started. Okay guys, all right, so here we are. So the tank's in, I've got the screws, I got everything in for the sending unit. I've got the wiring, all the wiring's in place. Everything's done. Here's the trunk. So we didn't replace the pan because there's only a little bit of rust that was in it that was fixed. So we never completely replaced the whole pan. It just didn't need to be. There was no reason to start tearing up everything, but as you can see, I mean, there is zero rust in this trunk, so we are good to go there. So I've got it cleaned. I'll probably clean it one more time, and I'm gonna get the carpet in and get that all set, and yeah, I can go from there. So let me work on the tail lights first, getting those in. We'll get everything plugged up and keep kind of moving forward. All right, guys, hang tight. Okay, so here we are. Drum roll. And there you go. All right, so let's get up in here and look. So there we go. We've got the carpet all the way up to the top. Goes around the shock towers there. All the way up to the top, all the way around. I still got this piece here, but I'm not gonna put it here until I verify the wiring. Here, again, all the way up, all the way to the back. So I'm gonna call the carpet done. I've got to get me another tire, but spare tire, of course, go in here, right here, and I think the carpet set from Alfa Giulia looks great. Once it heats up, it'll lay down better, but still, we are completed for the most part with the trunk until we get the wiring sorted out and then go from there. But again, everything is nice and neat. Nice and neat. All right, guys, so there you have it. We're wrapping this video up, working on the boot or the trunk in the United States. So again, we're done with that piece of the project here. Again, I gotta wait for the wiring to get sorted, just make sure I'm right on the wiring. I feel like I am, but I wanna make sure of that once I get the car turned on. We're not near there yet, but I wanted to get a big win on this project today. So I think the carpet definitely did it from Alfa Giulia. All right, guys. Again, please like, subscribe, ring that bell, and until the next video, God bless.